It's a new 2021 Cadillac XT4. Cross out your old expectations of crossovers. The XT4 is a moving statement of big utility and plentiful features in a compact package. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, smart device navigation, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, leather bucket seats, front and rear parking sensors, and LED low and high beam headlights. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.